Good morning, everybody. This is Mr. Katz. I just wanted to create this quick tutorial. This will show each student how to save and share a document with Mr. Katz. Also, I'll go over the directions. We are going to spend the next couple of lessons using this document. So I wanted to create this tutorial to show you how to edit and share the document with me. Okay? So first thing, I made a copy and it will be posted in Google Classroom tomorrow for each student. What I like them to do is go in, each child should change and put their last name in here. Okay, there's no save button, it will automatically save, but put their last name, first name in here so I will have a copy of each student's document. After that, either prior to the lesson or when you complete, click share and share it with Mr. Katz by typing in my last name, K-A-T-Z. Not my first name, but my last name, this black and white picture here. Click that, and that will share with me. Okay? So we'll use this for at least the first two lessons. Only complete part one tomorrow. After the organizer is complete, share with me, or you can do it before, like I mentioned. Part one, complete the organizer to retell the story from the vulture's point of view. The S is already done for you. If you did not watch the reading lesson, you have to go back and watch that. They may even be able to click right here to hear the story again. Okay, watch the story as many times as you need to. And again, the somebody or the point of view is from the vulture. And then you could just type in the boxes here, the answer. Okay, what did vulture want, or what was his goal? What got in his way of reaching his goal? What did he do to solve his problem or reach his goal? And how does the story end? And then the next day, use your organizer to write a retelling. Again, you could watch the video again from the vulture's point of view. Now, if the student would like to type it, that would be great. I would prefer that. But if they want to give you a verbal or oral retelling and you want to type it for them, I would accept that. I will send this to you this afternoon. If you have any questions, let me know, and I'll see if I could get it posted in Google Classroom before tomorrow's lesson. Have a great day.